friends, so welcome to our channel. I would request you to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for all the updates that we will be providing. Today we are here to create a bin for black soldier fly larvae. As you all know, black soldier fly happens to be one of the boons of nature which can completely turn wet waste into compost. So for this, what I am going to use is an old dustbin. You can use any plastic bucket or plastic tub which has a lid. In addition, I am using an old paint bucket. So finally, when we have the setup, it will sit like this. So this is what it is going to look like. The composting happens here and you will get your liquid fertilizer below in the paint bucket. Some of the people also put a tap to this bucket, but I have not put a tap because I would take out the liquid and then pour it onto my pots or store it for future use. So first, let us come to the composting bin. So as you see, this is the composting bin that we have. If you see, you have some attachments here, so you would be wondering what is so different about this composting bin. This has been specifically designed to grow black soldier fly larvae. So I will remove the lid and you can take a look inside. So what we have done here is we have made holes. So these holes are made to ensure that the liquid fertilizer which is produced gets into the bottom portion. We also have a mesh here to ensure that the wet waste does not seep into our collection bin. Here we have created a ramp using a pipe. This ramp, what happens in the soldier larvae is, once the larvae eats and it finishes and it goes to pre-pupae stage, then it climbs up and it needs to pupate in a place where it is dry and devoid of food. So it climbs up and then this is the bottle in which it gets collected. We will be further processing this later. Now coming to the portion, this is the lid. So here we have given a small aerator for aerobic activity, as well as we have given a tea. So essentially what happens is, once the fly comes, the fly goes inside and the female fly can lay its eggs here. So this is a simple nest that we have created. This nest is made out of corrugated cardboard. This is a simple setup which I have made, and all these are household items. So the only things which I have purchased from outside are few of these tees and joints that are required. And another tool that is very important for all these things is a drilling machine. So I have been able to use a drilling machine and get this ready. So once the setup is ready, what we will be doing is we will be placing it like this, and we will be adding our wet waste here. Wet waste and little bit of coco peat, that is what we are going to add here. So friends, today we have seen how we can create our own black soldier fly larvae decomposting bin. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do share your comments and feedback. Thank you.